stuff from the garden, and now we're using our handy dandy farm tool to take all these weeds and stuff to the chickens. See our corn? I think the corn's about done. There's some pumpkins in there though.
Pumpkins for Halloween.
Yep.
Yeah, we're all pumpkins.
And then down here we have zucchini and some broccoli. There's a little tiny broccoli there. I'll show you. It's your favorite, Gramps.
Grow broccoli.
Gramps' favorite vegetable. Little baby broccoli.
You grow broccoli. You said you didn't grow broccoli.
And those are cucumbers. Those are green beans over there. Braden's picking. And our tomatoes over there are looking kind of sad, but we've gotten a lot of tomatoes, and I think we're going to try to move the tomato plants over. That's a tomato, Gramps. Over to the greenhouse over there and see if we can keep them going. So we're heading down to the chickens. I won't make you get dizzy. See you there.